Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to resolve the no internet connection error that appears while installing a game through Steam. So, without further delay, let's jump straight into the solution. For the first method, open the Start menu and go to Settings. On the left side, click on Downloads and you'll see the option called Clear Download Cache. Click on it and then press Confirm. Steam will restart and you'll need to sign back into your account. After logging back in, try downloading the game again. In many cases, this fixes the issue. If the problem still continues, move on to the next method. Open the Start menu, search for PowerShell, and select Run as Administrator. Next, you need to paste the script into I'll provide this script in the pinned comment. Be sure to copy it from the pinned comment, as the description may not display it properly for everyone. Copy the script, paste it into PowerShell using Ctrl+V, and press Enter. You'll then be given 3 choices. Type 1 and press Enter. After that, you'll be asked to enter the Steam app. To find the app ID, open Steam and go to your library or store page. Right-click on the game, select Properties, and then click Updates on the left panel. You'll find the app ID there. Copy the app ID, paste it into and press Enter. After a few moments, the command prompt window will close automatically and Steam will Once everything is restarted, try downloading the game again. The no internet connection error should now be completely resolved. That's all for this video. Friends, if this guide helped you, please subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any future updates. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.